In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Calendar notifications on desktop. This process is essential for staying updated on your appointments and events. Now let's dive into the first step. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you usually use. Once the browser is open, navigate to the search bar at the top of the window. Here, type in Google Calendar and hit Enter. You will see a list of search results that appear on your screen. It's important to make sure you are searching for the official Google Calendar site, as this ensures you access the correct platform to manage your calendar effectively. Once you've successfully searched for Google Calendar, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, find the correct link that leads to Google Calendar. Typically, the first result will be the official site, which usually includes the Google logo. Click on this link to proceed to the Google Calendar homepage. This action is crucial because navigating to the right web page lays the foundation for the rest of the steps you will follow. Once you click the link, you'll be taken directly to your calendar interface, which is visually organized and user-friendly. Now it's time to log in to your Google account. If you are not already logged in, you will be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure to use the credentials associated with your Google Calendar. This step is essential because only logged-in users can customize their notification settings. After entering your information, click the Sign In button. You may see a loading screen momentarily, and then you should be redirected to your calendar view, confirming your successful login. Once you are logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see a gear icon, which represents the Settings menu. Click on this icon and select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This step is important because it takes you to the area where you can adjust your calendar settings, including notifications. After you've clicked the Settings option, you will be brought to a new page that displays various options related to your calendar. On the left sidebar menu, look under the General section. Here you will find an option labeled Notification Settings. Click on this to access the notification preferences for your Google Calendar. This is a key step as it allows you to specify how and when you want to be alerted about upcoming events. After clicking on Notification Settings, you will see various options, including email and desktop notifications, which is what we want to focus on. Next, click the Notifications drop-down menu. In this drop-down, choose Desktop Notifications. This action enables your Google Calendar to send alerts directly to your desktop. This is a vital step for ensuring you receive real-time updates about your events and appointments. Once you select this option, you will notice a change in the notification settings, confirming your selection. For those who want an extra alert, there is an optional step. You can check the box for Play Notification Sounds. If you want an audio alert alongside the visual notification, this option is perfect for you. It adds another layer of awareness about your upcoming events. Once you have made your selection, you can move on to the next step. While still observing your Google Calendar tab, look to the far left side of your browser's address bar. Here you will see either a lock icon or a tune icon. Click on this icon to see a drop-down list of permissions. This is crucial because it manages how your browser interacts with Google Calendar, including notifications. After clicking, a list will appear, allowing you to adjust the settings related to notifications. In this drop-down list, find the option for notifications. Here, you will need to switch the toggle to Allow. This step is essential because it enables your browser to show notifications from Google Calendar. Once you toggle this option, you should notice that it changes to indicate that notifications are allowed, confirming your action. Now let's open the Start menu on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Windows icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This action is important as it brings up various system settings that you will need to access next. Once the Start menu is open, you will see several options and applications displayed. From the Start menu, click on Settings, then select System. This step will take you to the System settings where you can manage notifications for applications installed on your computer. It is important to access these settings to ensure that your overall notification preferences are properly configured. Once you click on System, you will be directed to a new window filled with various system-related options. Next, click on Notifications from the list found in the System settings. This section allows you to manage how notifications are displayed on your desktop. It's important to review these settings to ensure that you don't miss important alerts. After you click on notifications, you will see several toggles and options related to different apps and system notifications. Ensure that notifications are toggled on generally. Then scroll down specifically to ensure that Google Chrome is permitted to send notifications. This final check is crucial because if Google Chrome is not allowed to send notifications, you will miss out on all alerts from Google Calendar. Once you confirm that both settings are correctly configured, you can feel reassured that you will receive notifications for your calendar events. With all these steps completed, you are now fully set up to receive Google Calendar notifications on your desktop. This setup will keep you organized and informed about your events. Thank you for following along and enjoy your newly configured Google Calendar experience.